Alright, so we are continuing on with finding average atomic mass. However, in this case, we'll be using it by using percentages. So we're finding average atomic mass using percentages. So on the other side of our note card, we have our steps. So step one is we want to change our percent to a decimal. There's two ways we can do this. One of the ways is we can take our percentage, divide it by 100 to get our decimal. So for example, it's 32.7%. Take 32.7, divide it by 100, and get our decimal number. Or we can move the decimal 2 places to the left. So we have 32.7, move the decimal 2 places to the left to get our same answer. So this would just be a preference. Step 2, multiply the mass number by the decimal. And then in the final step, step 3, we're going to add all three mass numbers together to get our total. So in this example that we're using here, we have two isotopes of calcium, calcium 39 and calcium 41. Calcium 39 has a percentage of 45, so we move 45 into a decimal, multiply it by 39, which would be the mass number, to get 17.5. Calcium 41 has a percent abundance of 33, so 33% in a decimal is 0.33 times 41, the mass number, gives us a total of 13.53. Add our two totals together to get the average mass unit of calcium. So now we're going to use this to complete a sample problem. Okay, so we're going to do this one together as guided practice. All right, so we're given a sample of gold. Includes isotopes where there's 50% are 197, and the other 50% of gold is a mass of 198. So here's how we're going to set this up. So AU stands for gold, so we're going to do AU 197. So AU dash 190. Oh, that's 95, 197. All right. And it's at 50%. So what we want to do is I'm going to just do this work in parentheses. For parentheses, we have the mass is at 197, and we're going to multiply it by 50%. So, which comes out, if you convert it to a decimal, whether you move the decimal 2 places to the left or divide it by 100, you should get 0.50. So if you multiply those two numbers together, 197 times 0.50, you should get 98.5. Our other sample of gold is gold 198. So we'll do this again, AU dash 198. So we'll show the work in parentheses. So our mass number is 198 times, now it's 50% again, so it should be same number, 0.50. Multiply those two numbers together, and you should get 99. Now we're going to add these two together. All right, so you're going to use your calculator, just like you did to multiply. Now we're going to add these two totals together. So so we're going to do 98.5 times 99. Oh, I'm sorry. We're not multiplying, we're adding together. So it's 98.5 plus 99. You should get a total of 197.5. And that is AMUs for your final answer. So now use your note card and this guided example to finish the rest of your worksheet.